Hey guys, another week, another game dev vlog. This week I have continued making decent progress on Everybody at Its Universe and my own game CyberHack. So first off, on Everybody at Its Universe, we did get an update out around the middle of the week that introduced a couple of new commands, the Spectate and Teleport TP commands, as well as some new blocks, the tile blocks, which came with some new backgrounds, and some physics improvements in general. So there's still a lot of work to be done, and we didn't end up getting a bigger update out by the weekend, but things are in the works and things are coming. Luke is working on some server-side stuff that's going to allow for us to finally have features like loading and the shop, but that's still a little ways out. Hopefully soon, though. I'm going to be working on some changes to the way the UI works to make that a little less awkward. And we also need to work towards having some more interactive blocks. We are figuring out how that system is going to work. There's a lot of interesting stuff there, but still a lot to figure out. There's also a lot being worked on the graphical side of things. There's a lot of different smileys and accessories that have already been in the works. Minosaurus has especially been making a lot of progress on that front lately, and Security Drone has been working on a lot of blocks. So things are moving along just very slowly, but we're getting there, and hopefully get to open beta here soon enough. So anyway, on CyberHack, I have made some decent progress. I worked a little bit on the music. I worked a little bit on the visual style, actually a fair bit on coming up with some new color palettes. They all work pretty well, I think. Give some variety in the game, and yeah, just really establishes a theme. I've also worked a little bit on the level layout and made some adjustments there. I also just added a new level to make it 26, because now that means I can name them all based on letters. It means it's all one character. Looks nice on the level select menu. I'm still trying to work on finalizing the playtesting to make sure that the actual level progression is locked in. Overall, I think I'm in that final stretch of trying to get the game wrapped up and get it ready to release sometime this month, if at all possible. Basically, the main factor in that will hopefully just be the matter of how the licensing stuff goes, coordinating with different websites and things like that. Because sometimes you work with different places that have like a certain release schedule, and that means they might release on a certain date, and sometimes it's best to wait to release the game everywhere until then. Sometimes it doesn't really matter. So we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you guys filled in. But in general, I am definitely getting to that last final stretch. But anyway, I guess that is going to have to be it for today. So as always, I do want to thank the contributors over on the Lightwell Studios Patreon. If you want to check it out for yourself, link is down in the description below, along with the link to the Everybody at Its Universe Patreon. The ongoing support from everyone over there has really been a huge help throughout this whole process. And if you want to help contribute to this project and get some rewards in return, that would be greatly appreciated. So yeah, I'll see you around. Goodbye.